Hello friends, look what I got right here. This is my Christian Dior latest order. Let's unbox it. Starting first with what I got in terms of like gifted purchase. You know, every time that you shop through Dior, you get really good gifted purchases. I think this was for $300 and more. And look at this cutie. My goodness. Look at this beautiful pouch here. Oh, sorry. Here we have it. Voila. And there's some goodies inside too. I know this morning that travel case that I showed the last time, it was available. So highly suggest to check that. Any links and codes will be on the description box below too. But here I got these free gift with purchase, the Capture Total Cell Energy and the Le Serum. So beautiful. Now let's open my purchase, which came in this gorgeous red box. Let's take a peek. Voila! The new products from DIOR. I ordered a new Mimi Rose limited edition eyeshadow palette. Let's take a peek right here. Oh, this is beautiful. Baby blue hint. And this one is the eyeshadow palette from the spring collection in pink organza. Let's see how this looks. Oh, gorgeous too. Super pretty. Let's take all these off. Oh my gosh. Definitely a different formulation from the one Mimi Rose. Also from the spring 2024 collection, a blush in delicate rose. This actually looks, well, on the images, yep, what I thought. Not really rosy, but rather like a peachy tone. Super pretty too. And this is a new blush in rose poplin matte finish. Oh, look at that. I don't think this will show at all on my skin tone. It looks more like a setting powder. Perhaps I can use it as such. Also from the spring collection, frosted pink Dior Attic. Oh, this is gorgeous too. Look at that. So pretty. This is also a new shade, Shimmer Rose Gold. Oh, that's gorgeous. It does have a little bit more of a gold tone to it. The spring collection, you know, my friends, I love to paint my nails at home. Just the nail polish. This one is in, what's the name? Who knows? Poplin 555. The reformulated lipsticks from Dior in satin and velvet formulation. I picked up 4 of them. So I will be creating reviews, swatches, all of that on my YouTube channel fairly soon. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful shade. Oh my goodness. So make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel with the post notification bell on. And quickly, let me show you that I also got a lip liner. And as always, little gift with purchases from Dior. Oh, do you know that Dior reformulated, well, shouldn't say reformulated, but just relaunched new look with a twist from Francis Kurkdjian. So I cannot wait to smell it. I cannot wait to smell it and see how it does for me. And there's also a new product from Dior. So I received a little sample to try it, and it's the Heil Shot. It's a wrinkle corrector. Okay, let's see what will this do for me. Obviously, I mean, I will need to use more than this little sachet, but I mean, it is a good start. Okay, friends, stay tuned for my reviews, swatches, comparisons, more images, more reels, YouTube videos, long format, short format, and everything in between. Let me know what you got from Dior that is new.